Hey there, I wanted to show off a little fun sewing project I did. This is the Sailrite Tool Roll Bag. Looks maybe a little different, but the handle is here. I added this little raised pouch because on my last camping trip out to Arizona and Utah, I could never find my spare batteries. So I'm gonna keep, all the little button batteries and that sort of stuff. So that's what that's for. And then I bring a spare hitch pin, and that can be hard to find, so I just made a flush little pocket with the spare vinyl there. The other thing that I did, if you order the kit, one of the other things I did differently is I used spare fabric that I had so that the tops are different. Even though things are clear, like over time, just by the color, I'm gonna know that the red has my fuses, silver is my electrical, spare parts on the green, and my miscellaneous odd tools are in this matching gray smoke colored one. So yeah, and you might want to look into these zipper pulls. They're very nice. And when you watch the Sailrite video on how to do it, when you're making these bags, he does relief cuts to get around the corners, and he talks about 3/8 of an inch. I use these little scissors for the relief cuts, and you can't probably see, but I use my marker, measured from the tip back 3/8 of an inch and marked it, and then I know I'm always cutting deep enough and not too much, not too little. So that's a tip I'd give you. So I'll link the how-to instructions in the comments, and yeah, a great project, highly recommended.